there should be the approval process. A single person should not post the document. Before posting, his senior should approve that document. So what happens? I will be parking the document, then it will go to my boss. My boss will review and he will approve. So it depends how many approval layer you have built in the system. If I build 3 layer, then I'll park the document. It will go to my boss. From my boss approves, it will go to his boss. Then when his boss approves, then only document will get posted. Okay. So that is known as a parking and approval process. Okay. So if you have such kind of business requirement where you feel that some kind of document a user should not post directly, rather he has to park the document. That parked document should go to higher level approval, then higher level approval, then higher level approval. It depends how many layer you have built. Okay, in that scenario, parking comes into picture. Okay, so you are getting now what I'm telling. What is parking? You are getting now why parking document we need. Hello,
Yes.
hello.
Yes, yes, sir, got it.
Okay, and sometime, very few time, you may not be sure about the journal entry, or sometime you are not aware about the information what you have given is correct or not. In that time also you may do the parking and later you do the posting once you get to know the full information. But that is very rare scenario. That very rare scenario you do. But most of the parking process we do for the approval process. Okay, parking we do for the approval process. Okay, so we park the document, another person review the park document. If he is okay, he will approve. And if it depends how many layer we have built. So last person once he approves, document will get posted. That is the major use of the parking document. Okay, very less chance that any information is missing, then I'm parking. No. Okay, it is very less chance, but mostly in interview also you have to tell this one only. Parking and approval process. Okay, so that is the use of the parking. So this is what I have written here. We park the documents and review and post by seniors. Okay, that approver, how many layer you have built. So there is no hard and fast rule how many layer you want to build. It's up to your business. How many layers they want. The guy who parked, it will go immediately to his team lead. Once his team lead post that approve the document should be posted, or one more layer is required for approval. Once team lead approves it has to go to his manager. So how many layer they want, you have to a layer a label of the approval. Business has to tell accordingly. You have to help to your ABAPer technical consultant to build the workflow. This is known as a approval workflow. There is separate config required that is done by the technical consultant. Then it does not post to GL account and given any cost subject. So that is what it will not post to any counting entries. It will just park the document. Okay, you will be able to see the document, but it will not post to actually any accounting entry. It will not post. Okay, we can park the document line items in a okay we can see the park document. Any park document you can see in a BL3N. So once you park the document, if you want to see the GL line item FBL3N, this is the GL line item report. Last time also I have shown you. So here you can select this. If you select this one, whatever document you have parked for that particular GL, you'll be able to see them. That is what I have written. Then it consumes the FBN number ranges while parking. Okay, so when you park the document, document number will get generated what you have maintained in the FBN one, but it is still not posted. But it is still not posted. If you go and check your balances, GL balance in FS10N RFAGLL03H, and all will not find any balances because it has not posted the document. So we can see parking option in almost all the real-time posting. So like this we can use T code. So almost in all the T code there is parking option is there here. Okay, but separately SAP has given the T code to park the document. For example, if you separately want to go in the T code and park the document, that option is also given. Otherwise, in all the T code almost parking here also given. Okay, that is what I have written. So separate T code is there, like let's say F-65 is a T code where you can directly go and park the document. So let me show here. Lesson F-65. See the T code. So here park document. Okay. From here also separate T code is there. You can park the document. So that is what I have written. Now config, there is no config much. Okay. Only T code you have to follow. So this is the park document. You can park from this T code. As I said, you can park from other major T code also. Then after the park, then posting later if you want to do the posting, this is the T code to post the park document. If you want to change the park document anything in that, this is the T code. You want to display the park document, this is the T code. And there is something called flexible workflow. So what is this workflow? Just now I discussed. So let's say uh, accountant is parking the document, is parking the document. Okay, then it will go to team lead. Then in the flexible workflow. So whenever approval process you want to build, that process is known as a workflow. Okay, so remember this word. Workflow is approval process. Okay, workflow means approval process. In HANA we say flexible workflow. Okay, in HANA we say flexible workflow. So this flexible workflow you have to apply in this approval process. So when this guy accountant has parked a document, it will go to team lead. He can review and post. Review and post. Okay, he can review, or if you want three layer, then this is the two level approval process. You can build three layer approval process also. It is up to you and not up to you, up to your client. So here this guy will also review and approve. Let's say once he review and approve, he rejects. If he reject, then it will come back to accountant. If he approves, then it will go his manager. Let's say goes to manager. Then manager review and approve. Okay, so this is three level approval process. So it depends how your business wants. So this is known as a flexible workflow. Workflow means approval process you have to build. Okay, and in approval process, these are known as a agent. Okay, there is terminology agent. So agent means the people who are involved in the approval process. Those are people known as a agent. Agent. These are the agent. Okay, agents. Because sometimes agent will be missing something like that, you'll get more error in the approval workflow process. So you have to thoroughly do the testing. Whenever you have to do the testing, you have to do the proper testing. So yeah, so few things you have to remember. Let me talk right now, because when you go for real-time implementation, so here three things you have to always talk with the business. One is review, one is approve. This is okay. Another is forward option you have to talk. Forward, let's say this guy has parked the document. It went to team lead. What and all team lead can do with the with document? He can review, he can approve, or he can forward also. Forward means this team lead is saying that I'm busy. So he can forward to another team lead on the same level. Okay, so he can review and approve. So this 3 point basically you have to discuss with the business, or this 3 point basically this point they forgot generally requirement gathering time, forward part. So forward option also you discuss with them. You tell them either you want forward functionality or not. They will tell what is called forward. Then you can tell that if team lead A is busy, then team lead A can send forward to the team lead B. So that functionality knows the forward. Okay. So these 3 points you have to discuss, and layer you have to discuss, label you have to discuss. This is done in the flexible workflow module, or in this functionality. Okay, this is technical thing. You have to work with a buffer, and you have to build this approval matrix. Okay. Up to now, any doubt? Up to now, any doubt? Anybody has? Hello,
No, sir.
Sadia, Swati, any doubt? Up to now,
Up to now, no doubt, sir.
Sadia, any doubt?
Also.
So this is what now SAP has, like these are the T code to do one by one parking one document. So SAP has given, like yesterday we did the mass load from upload journal voucher we did right from Fury. So SAP has given this Fury app where you can do the mass level of document parking. So this is the Fury app also you can use. So let us go now one by one. So however, either you use, again I'm telling, either use F-65, you use FB50, everywhere almost parking option is there. So give here some T code 2023, whichever document type which 40, give the GL. Cash account. Let me post manpower expense. Some 300 rupees. Not post, sorry, it is parked. Those. So don't get confused. I'm doing the parking of the document. Cash account. I'm, you can write the text like labor charges paid. 300. See, it is park. Already you are in the park, so you can click on the save button. Save means it will park the document. Okay, you can simulate also. Park here also given directly, so you can park here also. So however you feel, it got parked. So see, document got generated in the document is coming from FBN1 only. So if you go in the FBN1, SM01, see, so this is the document got generated 01 essay document type, see 12. So document it will generated from it, but there is no accounting entry. Okay, so one thing I would have shown you, let me now also show. So if you want to view the all the park line item, then you have to select this one. So if any accounting entry got generated, that will appear here. Okay, in the normal item. If accounting entry not generated, then it will appear noted item and park item. So we'll discuss what is called noted item later. As of now, park item. So for these two line item, there won't be any accounting entry. For this one only will be accounting. So first let us check any accounting entry came here. Okay, so which document? 12 documents. See, 12 document is not there, which we have posted 0012. There is no. So if document is not there here, it means that there is no accounting entry for this. Okay. Now you can tick this one and tick this one. So all the park document you'll be able to find here. So these are the, so cash account and manpower expense account debit to cash account you have to. So this is what I have done the parking. So you can view this line item. Okay. See here status also showing park. Status also showing park. Okay. You can Here legend will be there. Legend icon. You can see here like this. What is this meaning? What? So this symbol is equal to parked. If posted it there, then this will come. If posted it there, but open item document is there, this will come. Then cleared will. So these are the symbol. Okay. So any document status is showing like this. It is parked document. And in this way also you can go to FS10N and you can see. So let's say I think this is the cash. What is the cash account? It is 10200. 10200. Where it is 102 2000. 102 2000. Okay, run it. In this way also you can see. Let me post the document and check if accounting entry, if it is impacting the accounting entry or accounting balance, this the balance will get changed. But during the parking time there is no financial impact, so balances and all will not get changed. So observe it here right now. So I'm going to post one more document in the ninth period. Ninth period means ninth period. We are following Jan to December or April to March. What we are following for our company code fiscal year? Anybody remember? Hello. Hello.
I think Jan to December, sir.
Okay, Jan to. So I am posting in the ninth period. Observe here. Okay. So observe cash account. So right now we have balance 909,900. Okay. So let's see any impact is there or not. Just I want to show you from every point of view so that you'll understand. So 1000 rupees I'm posting. 50,000 rupees. 9,900 is there. So 9,900 and refresh option is there or not. Now come back and again come. See still 9,900 is there. There is no impact in the accounting balance because there is no accounting entry. Okay, na park means just you have parked the document. You have not posted the document. Until unless you post the document, there will won't be any impact in the accounting balances. Okay. So now how is it clear? Hello, because they will ask in the interview what is called parking document. Is that clear, everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now I'm going to post the park document. So SAP has given FBB0 T code. You can go by a path also. No need to remember all the T code. So go here. SPR. Sorry, not SPR. Front screen only. All the T code you'll find here. General ledger document. Park document. See here. All the T code you have. FBV0 to post the document. FB50. FB50. FV. See here V is there. Okay. So FB. Let me tell you. So FB50. This is to post the document. Okay. FV50 to park the document. Okay. V and V little difference. Okay. Na? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear na? Hello. So there are many T code to park and post, whichever T code you use. This is the ledger specific parking if you want to do. This is change. This is also change. This is the display. This is the change header. Change header reject. Our now scenario is a post the post or delete both is there. We want to post. So we have posted 12 and 13 document. Okay. 12 and 13. You can see here. You can see all list of the park document. You just go here and give the date. Sorry, select the park and run it. So right now you have park two document 12 and 13. So select any one document if you want to post, then hit enter. Okay, same journal entry comes here. Okay, same journal entry comes here. Now post here. See post the document it is showing. And now you see the balances will get changed here. So right now 9,900, 9 lakh 9,900. I'm going to post 1,000 rupees. So it will become 9 lakh 10,900 it will become, because now it will impact to the financial statement. Post it. Some text is a mandatory. So business is started. Cost center is a mandatory. So observe this also, during parking time it is not asking, but during posting time it is asking. So all these things have to observe. Okay, got posted. So this is same document, whatever you have parked, same document number got posted. Now observe it here. Let me come here, run it here. See, 9,10,000 it became. Okay, because now financial statement it impacted the your balances and all. Now if you refresh the document, this 13 you have posted, so it will go from parked. Now run one more time. See here, 13 gone, because you have now posted the document. So from parking it went to posted. If you want to see the posted, then you have to run, you have to select this option, you remove this option. So from here it will come here. Okay, if you post the document, come here. See here, 13 came here now, 1,000 rupees. Okay, similarly do the posting for the 12 document number also. Give here 12 document number which you have parked to. So post it here also, enter cost center, give, it got posted now. So again, now run again. So from first of all, from parking there is no parking document now, all parking got posted. So no parking, see there is no item selected. So after parking it comes here, after posting, run it here. So 12 also came here. Your balances also get changed. Now you have 9,10,900. Now it will become 300. You posted more, so it will become 9,11,200. Okay, run it. And 300, sorry, 9,10,600. 300 got added in this. Okay, so like this, it will impact the balances. Any doubt up to now? Hmm? Any doubt? Hello?
Clear,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, right? So uh, this is what, but in the real time again I'm telling, once you park the document it will go for approval process. Okay, but here we are not technical person, but however I'll try to configure later on, but it will work or not work we are not sure, because this is technical person requirement. Is we need a technical consultant, a bapper, who can build the workflow. Okay, but in real time this is how happens. Once you park the document, the guy, it will trigger to email. So here you will have this one, business SAP business workflow. So this is an inbox. Okay, inbox mean like how we have Gmail, Outlook, right? So in SAP itself Outlook is given here, it is there, click here. So all the whatever will get trigger, it will come here. If anything it comes to you for your approval, it will come here. Okay, then you have to select and you have to approve it. Okay, so this is how this is done by a technical consultant. Okay, this is done by a technical consultant. Okay, now so this process is done by technical consultant will build. Even in Fury app also you have the tab, you can approve from there also, from Fury app also. Okay, my approval list some app is there. So this is how, but for the to get in your inbox you have to have the workflow build. Okay, you got it now?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
So the senior people, they have to come and check here, either any request is there or not for them to approve. So they will come here and they will check it and they'll approve it. Okay, from here also they can approve. From Fury app also they can approve. So let us log into Fury app. We'll load the mass park. We'll do the mass parking because during the month end time there will be huge parking. 1,000 2,000 document you have to do the parking. Then it becomes very difficult to do one by one. Because of that, SAP has given now this one. I mean Fury app, so you can do the mass of parking. Run it. Please practice a lot. These are important thing. Okay, in the meantime, till the time it is opening, let us learn what is called holding the document. Holding the document means you don't have proper information about the document. Okay, let's say you are going to hold you are entering one document FB50. Okay, hold it there. Only one line item you don't know what is the another line item. Unless a cost center you don't know while posting, you are booking some manpower expenses, but you don't know in which cost center you have to book. Okay, so any incomplete document, you know only debit side, but credit side you don't know. Okay, so any or what happened, you are just entering the document. In the meantime you want to go outside, so what you can do, by the time if you come back your SAP will be shut down, it will be log up. So you want to just hold the document, and after 1 hour again you want to start from that journal entry. So holding, you can do anything with the holding it. So some features are there, you'll understand what is the holding. Let me read it. So you need okay, let me practically show you, then that will be more good. So let's say this one. Let's say I'm giving only this information, give the date. Okay, I can hold this document because I don't know other information. And while holding the document, it will not consume the number ranges from FBN1. I have to give some external document number, hold. See, I have to give my some temporary number here. Okay, I have to give it. Anything I can give which I remember. Okay, so observe very carefully. In parking time I given both the line item here. Any line item, any way I can give. There is no mandatory that I have to give both the line item. Here it will not consume the number ranges from FBN1. It will not consume the number ranges from here. It is just you have to enter. So I can give my own number, SM01, like this I can give, or whatever I feel I can give it, and I can hold a document. So up to here, is it clear? Holding. Hello, is it clear? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes,
Saranya,
sir.
is
Yes,
it
sir.
clear? Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir. It is clear, sir.
So sometime let's, that's what I'm telling. Holding means if you do, you have incomplete information, you don't know how to post, what to post, which cost center to post, which GL to post. If anything you don't know, if anything missing, then for time being you can hold a document. Okay, let's say you don't know cost center, your manager is telling that okay, I'll give you cost center tomorrow. You have already entered all the thing, you don't want to come out of it and tomorrow you can re-enter everything. So for time being you can hold it. Okay na? Okay na? So hold
Okay,
it.
sir.
So it will get hold. Okay, it will get hold. So document got hold, and there is no document number external. This is the document number I have given, SM01, my own number I have given. I can give 1 2 3 4 also, I can give anything for the holding time. Okay, so that is what the point I have written here. So for holding, we need to give external alphabet number range. Okay, anything you can give. Alphanumeric means anything give. Okay, and when you post that number, when I post this one, this document number, then only it will consume the number ranges from here. Okay, then it will consume the number ranges from here. It doesn't mean this number will get posted. No, it will that time it will consume the number from here. Okay, that is the point written. Then once external alpha in is posted, same can be used. If once you post this document one time, then again SM01 you can use for another holding the document. Like that you can do. That is what written. We can hold the document from standard T code B50 like that I told na. So for almost for every T code there will be holding document option. So you can hold from any T code that is written, and you can display all the whole document from the FB11. So this T code you have to remember. Either remember or go in path, as I said, in the path it is there. All the T codes are there. Again, I'm going SPRO. So where park was there, na hold also will be there. So 1 minute. FB11. This is the T code to see all the hold document. Okay. So hold by my T code, my ID, run here, and you'll get. So this is the document number I have hold it. Okay. So this is the document number I have hold it. Come here. So we'll see this one after. Let us one by one do parking. So as I said, this is the Fury app is used for the, okay, for the for the parking the document at mass level. This is highly used in the real time because I have seen two kind of client. One client they do not want parking option at all, and one client I have seen every journal entry should go via parking process. One client I have worked, every journal entry has to go via parking process. He cannot directly post any journal entry. So we have implemented this at very in detail level because their intention, their objective not to post even single document, okay, journal entry directly. Everything has to be parked. So you have to know this Fury app because in real time, whenever they want parking and approval work process and all, so you can build it. It is taking time. So are you clear about the holding document? Hello? Is it clear? Holding document also. So holding
Yes,
document,
sir.
if you don't know any information, then you have to hold the document. While holding, you remember you have to give your external number ranges. Anything you give, because in interview they may ask you. Very less chance, but sometime they may ask you. So you have to know. Sorry. Path also you can go in the path also you find slash not SPRO front only it is. So come here. Parking, financial, general ledger, document, holding document is not there. Where is the FB11? You can search like this. Google it. Path further. This one you remember. App name is up to here only. Come. It is not coming. This app is not available or what? Huh. See, this is the app. This is the app name. Okay, this I have written this Fury app. This suffix na. This much I have just typed it. So app name is up to here only. Huh? So don't get confused. Up to here is the Fiori app name. So this is the Fiori app name. Take it. Verify general journal entry. Okay. You have to tell that you have worked in the Fiori. After teaching this much also, if you tell I have not worked, then that is not acceptable. Okay. You have to tell in the interview that you have worked. So download, where is download option? That Fiori template upload is here. Create, let's check. Okay. Select template. Why download template option is not coming? Anywhere you check where is download option is there or not, template download. No, not seeing. Okay, where is the template? Okay, so template may be same what you have downloaded for the posting the journal entry. Okay, so yesterday, but if you load in this from this Fiori app, then it will get, let me go inside. Here it is there. Download template is there. So let me come back again one step. So go to upload option. If you go to create, then normally how you are posting the journal entry, right? Debit, credit, that gets open one by one. You have to go to upload. Then here download template is there. Now select download template. In which format you want to download. Download it. Then come here. Like this it comes. So double company code if you want to load, keep it. Single company code if you want to load, only this is enough. So SM01, this is the document date, sorry, document type. Yes, say document date YYYMMDD. Yesterday also you have posted. See, posting the document, mass level and parking template is same. Only if you load from yesterday, whatever app I have told, it will post. If you load from here, from this Fiori app, it will just park the document. That is only different. Other this template remains same. That is the reason I thought of using whatever we have already downloaded yesterday template. This template and this template, see, both are same. Okay, but if you load from this Fiori app, then it will get parked. Upload journal entry. If you upload from yesterday's one, then it will get post posted. That is the difference. So I hope you are not getting confused. Month is 906. Any confusion, please do ask me. Don't keep with you. Then period will pick automatically. Transaction INR. Ledger group, if you want to post only one ledger, that is also option there. If you give blank, it will get posted to all ledger. Any other thing if you feel mandatory, then give SM01. SM01. How many line you want to give it. There is no hard and fast rule. Let's say debit. This time let's say I want to post as an FS00. Let's say I want to do labor charge account debit. I also want to do interest expense account debit. Then I want to do cash account. So this is the journal entry. Then I think item text is mandatory in all the. So you have to give all the detail properly, or there will get error. So while posting from the GUI, what are the information you're entering? Mandatory information you have to enter in this also. Parking document, debit credit, 700, debit, so 1400 become credit. Okay, this is transaction currency. If you want to enter group currency and all, and this is the company code currency and group currency enter. Otherwise, system will automatically convert via exchange rate. Then tax code, cost center become mandatory. Okay, so this is cost center. Let us enter the cost center. So cost center, what cost center we have created. So this is the cost center you have created. Give here. Okay. So one, see what you know, whichever for this GL, it is a balance sheet GL not required. So cost center is mandatory for that GL which is created with P indicator. That you know I have already told you. If any GL created with the P, then entering the cost center is a mandatory. Yesterday note also I have told you. So this is not required for this. This is also not required. But for this entering cost center is a mandatory, other it will throw error. Therefore, which GL it is 400. So 400 for this line item, I am entering the cost center. From the cost center, profit center will automatically pick. Okay. So while posting in one line item, if it is the profit center, and remaining line item, profit center will automatically come. So not required to enter. Now take this one, park it. Any doubt you please ask me. I will answer your question. So select it. If any error is there, it will show. You can see the log is also there. Okay, this is the log. Submit, during the submit time also it will get throw error. Okay, so document got posted. Workflow pending. Workflow means for approval process it is pending. Okay, so this is the document number got generated. You can see also. To view the park document, which T code you have to see?
FTR 65.
F-65. It is where we went to see. Now this is the park, the display. To display the document. Okay, let us display from FB03 also. Let's see it allows or not. Okay, from FB03 also you can view. But what it is telling, it is the parked document. It has not been posted. It is parked. See, it is parked. It is showing. FBV3 is a T code. So FBV3 you can use to display the document. You can view from FBV3 also. FBV3. This is the T code you can use to display the park document. Hit enter. So I can write here FBV3 to display the. I have already written also here to display. Any doubt up to here? No doubt, na? Hello. Any
No, sir.
doubt? So here workflow got triggered, but it is not properly configured. I know it, but let me check. I can check either it came to me or not. So here my, what is that Fairy app name? My approval item or something on Fury app is there. My inbox, sorry, my inbox. So in this, all whatever I am supposed to approve, it will come in my inbox. So I have to check and approve it. Okay. So what is this? Something IDUC got triggered. Error with IDUC. So here I can see here. I can forward it. I can suspend it. I can suspend means Here new terminology they have given. Forward I can send to someone. Claim means I don't know what new terminology they have given in workflow. They have built it. Maybe well, that's what when they build it now to ask what is claim meaning. Maybe claim means approval. Don't know. So this is something different, not for ours. Huh? So this some for other purpose. It is coming. This may not be mine also because this is common system, right? So for something it is coming. So this is 28th August, but we are creating in September. So here it will come. So for the guy, to whoever is as approval agent for him, in this inbox it will come. So you can note down this is the Fury app, my inbox. In my inbox it will appear in the Fury. So you have to come here and approve. The moment you approve the thing, then accounting entry get posted. So the park will become the post document. Is that clear what I'm telling everyone? This is very, very important. I'm telling you, it's very, very important. In real time, you'll definitely be working in this area. If you go in HANA implementation, this will be one of the area you have to work for sure, because every company is doing this parking and approval process these days. So is it clear whole parking and approval? Hello.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
No doubt, no?
No.
Sadia, do you have any doubt in this one? Sadia, Swati, any doubt?
It is clear, sir. Only HANA side, yes. Fury app need to practice.
And you need to practice, but any doubt is there?
No, sir.
Download and park, all these things, simple step, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the thing I wanted to teach you. I have noted down what and all I have to teach pending here. So parking and holding also done today. Then something called GL clearing. Okay, let me teach you GL clearing. People may be doing GL clearing means whenever there is, so what is the prerequisite for the GL clearing? So GL clearing is possible for the GL for open item managed GL only. Okay, so any GL you have created, where is FS double zero slash N? Any GL you have created is a open item management. So where is a open item management? Here. Here one tick is there. Any GL you have created as a open item management GL, then for those kind of GL only GL clearing is possible. That is the first point you have to remember. I cannot do the GL clearing for this GL because this GL is not having the open item management. First we'll discuss what is called GL clearing, but try to understand for prerequisite. So for this GL, I cannot do the GL clearing because it doesn't have the open item management. So I can do the GL clearing only for those GL which have the open item management. That is the first prerequisite that they also have taught you during FS double zero time. You can go and look back again. Then what happened? This open item management will be only allowed for the balance sheet GL. So it means that GL clearing is only required for the balance sheet GL. Okay. So GL clearing is possible for the balance sheet GL only. Okay. So these are the thing. Why GL clearing is required? So in SAP, this is the SAP thing. Okay. It may not be required in other ERP. In SAP, what happened? There is something called GL clearing GLs. Okay. Clearing GLs. Okay. So GLs clearing for below GLs. Clearing GLs are below. Okay. Clearing GLs are below. So these are the GL. For them, you have to do the open item management like GRIRGL. You'll understand what is called GRIRGL later. 3.2 bank coming and bank outgoing. Okay. 3.3 tax clearing. 3.4 and then tax clearing, discount clearing. So these are the some GL for them. We maintain the open item management. Right now, I'm going to do the one GL. I'm going to create the bank outgoing. So for bank outgoing, why what is called bank outgoing? In real time, we create three GL for the bank. One is known as a main bank. One is known as a outgoing bank. Another is known as a incoming bank. Okay. So what is called main bank, incoming and outgoing? Generally, when you three GL we create main bank GL, outgoing bank GL and incoming bank GL. Generally, when you receive the payment, we do not book in the main bank GL. We book in the incoming bank GL. And later and all we do reconciliation between incoming and main bank GL. I'll tell you how that will be discussed later. When you make the payment, when we make the payment, when we make the payment, we take this GL and later outgoing GL and main bank GL we do the reconciliation. Okay, why outgoing incoming comes into picture, that will be later part discussion, but later as of now understand here payment process how it happens, because I'm going to teach the clearing process, payment process. So I'm just talking about one, let's say rent I'm paying. Okay, now I have manpower charges, manpower expenses paid. When I'm making the manpower expenses paid, so what I'll do, manpower expense account debit. Here I'm selecting bank outgoing GL. Okay, bank outgoing account. So later what happened, this outgoing GL na, I have to do reconciliation. You will understand how reconciliation process and all will work. When I do reconciliation na, this my bank outgoing goes into debit and my main bank account comes into credit, main bank. Okay, ideally this is credit, this is debit, it becoming zero. Actual entry left is this, and that is what actually is supposed to be. But why this coming into picture, that we'll see little later, that is different story. But later, as of now, let us create two GL, one bank outgoing GL, one main bank GL, and let's do this two posting and later do clearing process. So bank GL. So you are getting now. So this is the journal entry happens. So whenever debit and credit is there, okay, in the line for the GL, the debit and credits you should do the clearing. You have to make them zero. That is called clearing. And if you want to do the clearing, that GL should be open item manage GL. So I'm just going to do it. Let me create the GL first of all. So slash n, first create your operating, sorry, country specific GL. So what is the country specific chart of account we have created? SM, CA. Anybody remember what is the country specific chart of account we have created? No, no problem. If you don't remember, Sorry. SMIN we have created. Okay, so here only let me create copy. So 200 300. Okay, this is my main bank. Plus ICICI. Okay, that also you can write ICICI main bank GL. Define from cash and bank. Okay, from this to this range only given. So which range to which range? Sorry, I forgot again. 1 200 to 299. Okay, so from that only I have to select. Go to slash NFSP0. Copy it. 299 means 210 I'm taking. And another thing, whenever you are creating the main bank, make sure that main bank last digit is 0. It has logic, later you'll understand. Make sure that main bank last digit is 0. That is very, very important. Later you'll understand there is something during the reconciliation time, there is some logic. Therefore, main bank last digit should be the 0. Okay, you give the numbering in such a way this becomes 0. Okay, therefore I am selecting here. I am not creating here already one 10,012 to 200 created. I could have created 10,201, but I'm not creating because I know that later I need it 0 here. So therefore I'm giving 10,210 here. Okay, because main bank 0, main bank GL should have the 0 at last. So you'll understand later. So when you are creating, you also create in such a way that main bank last digit is 0. Now create outgoing bank. I am putting 1 and continuously put incoming outgoing content. After that continuously put here. If main bank is 10, then put incoming or outgoing 11, then again incoming or outgoing 12. So however you feel comfortable, you put it. Okay, is it clear now? Hello, you got it now what I'm telling here? Because
Yes.
while creating the bank you need to be a little bit careful. Okay, so here outgoing, here outgoing, outgoing bank. Okay, so these two got created and this. Okay, group, let us say group GL SMGP. So this is, let's say this is my group bank GL. So here I can so I will use this GL only because one group GL I can assign under multiple operating GL. So let's say I don't want to create. So go here FS00. I can create for in outgoing main bank separate group GL also, but I will use single only. So one group GL I will assign under inside the multiple. So this is the cash account you have created. You can copy this one and here 210. Okay, now put here main bank. So this is what I'm assigning. Same group GL. I'm assigning here because one group GL I can assign under the multiple operative GL. So this I have assigned here also. Here also I'm assigning now here also in here. Okay, come here. Then this you assign to 10 you have created. So 210 for main bank 210. This one I'm mapping 1:1, but group 1:many I'm assigning. So I hope you don't have doubt. Then for main bank, it is not required to do this one. Only for incoming and outgoing bank, you have to do. Sorting queue you can select. Okay, then come here and here for bank GL, it is already one. It is given. You can put this one G005 if you want. Otherwise, anything you put, anything you select, there is no hard and fast rule. But you read it. Something if it is exactly given, then use that. So for bank GL G005 given, and make sure that you are putting this one relevant to cash flow, because there is other module called treasury module. So for treasury side, if you put this relevant to cash flow, then it will, the value what get posted here, it will get flow to them also, so they can do the cash forecasting and all properly. Therefore you have to tick this relevant to cash flow. So this is how it is got created. Save it. Now copy again and create another outgoing GL. Everything remains same, only this one change, and let it be here also cash account. There is no hard and fast rule. One group GL you can assign under many number of operating GL and put here. So put here. I hope you don't have any confusion. For cash, SAP has given one for cash and bank GL, SAP has given separate cash account, but I don't want to confuse. Once you become perfect with balance sheet this way, then one day I'll teach you this one also. What is the use of this one? As of now, you practice this one only, balance sheet. Cash and bank GL are a balance sheet GL. This is given only in the latest S4 HANA system. Okay, from 20 in your system also it may be there. So what is the advantage of this? I will teach you little later, because you'll get confused otherwise. So follow in this one only. Okay. So save it. Up to here, any doubt? Ask me. Is there any doubt to create the cash or bank GL? Any doubt to create the bank GL? Hello? Oh, sorry, one more minute. See here. For this, I forgot to tick this one. Open for incoming and outgoing bank, you have to tick the open item management. Okay. So any doubt to create the bank GLs? Ask me if you have any doubt. Any doubt anybody has? Hello?
No.
No.
No, right? So for incoming and outgoing bank GL, make sure that you have ticked the open item management. If you forget, then SAP has given one program. You can run that program, then it will get activated, but that is very lengthy process. So during the creation time only, you need to be very careful. You have to tick it. Once you post, you cannot tick it again. After posting anything in this one, you can directly come and tick it here. Okay. It is, you cannot tick it here. So be careful. This open item management only required for the clearing nature of GL, like bank incoming, outgoing, GRIR, and this you can only tick for the balance sheet GL. Balance sheet, you cannot, if you try to I mean try to tick for any PNL GL, it will not allow. See, let's say for PNL, this is my PNL GL, right? Because these two category are PNL. For PNL GL, if I try to do, it will not allow, because open item management only possible for the balance sheet GL. If you try to and save it, it will not allow. See, open item only allowed for the balance sheet account. Is that clear? Because they will ask in the interview, so you have to remember all this point. Is it clear? They'll ask what is called open item management. Then what you will tell? What you will tell? So you have to tell open item management are required only for those GL which are having the clearing nature GL, like GRIR, GL bank incoming, outgoing. Okay. So and open item management can only be done for the balance sheet GLs. Okay, so once debit and credit got posted in the GL, we have to do the either manually do the clearing or automatic you have to do clearing. So this kind of thing, like whatever I'm explaining here, same pros, everything you have to summarize and tell them. Now let me post on journal entry. Like this one, we plan not to post the journal entry manpower expense to bank outgoing GL. So do here manpower expenses, manpower expenses to bank. I mean outgoing bank. Okay, outgoing bank. This is debit. This is credit. Let's say 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees. Give the cost center. It will ask if you don't give, it will ask the cost center. See, observe. See when and note down this error. This means it is requiring cost center. You can read also. What is it telling? You have not defined CO account assignment per account. It is telling enter either of this, either enter order, cost center, sales order. These are known as a cost subject. So any of this you enter, that is what it is asking. So right now we have created cost center only as a cost subject. Therefore we have entered the cost center. So here value date in the bank GL, value date is a mandatory. What is called value date? Value date means generally from when the payment is effective. If okay, effective date for the payment is a known as a value date. Let's say I am giving you check today, but from when you can encash that check, so that date is known as a effective date. Okay, let's say I given check today, but I'm telling that this check is valid after 10 days, then that 10 days, after 10 days is known as a, let me put in this way. Value date also sometimes they will ask in the interview. Let's say due date 6/6/09. I given check today to you, but you can only present in the bank after 5 days. Let's say on 10th September only you can present in the bank. Before that, if you present in the bank for encashing, then that is no value. They will not, they will not consider it, because effective validity date start from here. So this date is known as a value date. Okay, so in the bank, whenever you use the bank GL, value date, entering the value date is a mandatory. It is a mandatory, but you can make it optional. It is not, but generally you have to make it mandatory. Okay, value date should and must be entered in the bank GL. But it is, it where it is controlled from, anybody knows why this value date is mandatory? From where I don't want to enter here, I want to make it optional. So from where I have to make it optional? Hello, from where I have to make optional,
From
Swati?
from field status variant, sir.
Exactly, field status variance. Now how do I go and analyze how to how to make it here? I can go field status variant, but let's say I don't know what is my field status variant here. OBC 5. Now which one I have to sorry, OBC 4. OBC 4. Sorry, Salasian. One day I have shown you, right, and you know the logic also. Now here, which one I have to, which is my field status variant? Swati,
Uh,
how to
bank data,
analyze?
bank data.
Which one? Oh,
OB 60 G065 something. Can you scroll down, sir?
no, this is not the right way. Again, I'm last time I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Okay, no. Last time again I'm telling, this is not in this way. You should not struggle. You should not struggle. So how to find out? Listen very carefully again. When this kind of thing, take this GL, go to FS 00. Okay, this is the last time I'm telling. I'll not tell you again. Okay, 2 3 time, 4 5 time I have already told you, not 1 2 time. So take this GL, go to FS 00 102 Where is 101 11? Takes one. Check first what you have assigned here, G005. Double click on this one, then you'll get to know what is your field status variant. It is SM00. Now you go here. Here you go. Now you got to know your SM00 is your field status variant. Select this one. Inside also you got to know it is G005 here. So select this one, G005. This is how your life is easy. Now click here. Now you go and check where is the value date. So value date is a mandatory here. Make it optional if you want, but for bank GL don't make optional. You have to enter it. Now is it clear? Swati and everyone how to handle, how
Yes,
to
sir.
analyze?
Yes,
Okay
sir.
na? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear, right? Otherwise how will know? Let's say you got to know here. Let's say somehow you got to know SM00. Now inside in which you'll make change? Where you'll make change? Either you'll make changes in this one, this one, this one, this, which, where you'll make the changes? So again I'm repeating, my dear friends, you have to go to FS00. First of all, for whichever GL you are getting problem, take that GL, go to FS00. Where is FS00? Go to FS00. Okay, go to here, double click on this one. Here variant and field status group both you'll find here. Now you know this field status group under which variant. Okay, now take this two, go to OBC4, then it becomes easy for you. Okay, select the variant, select the group, select the group. Now whatever you want to do it. Is that clear?
Yes.
Clear na? Hello?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Clear na? Swati and Saranya, everybody is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's say here I don't want to manually enter my value date. Okay, I don't want to enter my value date. So there is one T code, you can automate the value date. So go to OBY6 T code, go to OBY6 T code. Okay, and there is one value date option, default value date option. There if you tick it, value date will automatically get picked from next time. Okay, so no need to enter manually. So come here, somewhere I have logged it. Okay, for first time I'm doing, second time when I'm posting second entry now, I will configure it and we'll see. Now I'm in entry 0609 2023. Okay, post it. So manpower expense account debit to outgoing bank account. Now somewhere I have block. Let me come out of that screens. Where and all I have block. I think that was, so go to OBY6 now. There is one T code called OBY6. I have already shown you. So go to your company code SM01. So here one option is there. Default, define default value date. If you tick this one, value date will automatically pick for the bank GLs. Okay. Bank GL, it will automatically pick there. So now again go and post one another journal. Okay. So after posting, go and check FBL GL line item report, FBL 3N. Okay, bank GL. Select the bank GL. FS00. Select the bank GL. This bank GL. Where is the line item report? Where I have seen. Slash N FBL 3N. This is the GL line item report. Run it. See here, now status is coming as a open. It is not coming as a posted, because for any GL you have posted which is open item management, it will come as a open item management. Okay. So now it has credit entry, minus mean credit. Now we are going to post next entry, that is this one. Then it will have the debit entry. So debit and credit you have to nullify. That is what we have to. So at last na month, during the month end, all the clearing GL should have the zero line item. That is the target. Okay na? That is the target. Now how to do clearing, that will see little later. Now let me do the this posting, this GL posting. So again I'm going and doing the posting here. Now what GL debit, what GL credit. So outgoing GL we have to credit and main bank we have to debit. Outgoing GL you have to debit. How much amount? 1000. 1000 only, right? Okay, 1000. Then main main GL is credit 1000 rupees. Now here both are the balance sheet GL, so you have to enter the profit center directly, no cost center. Enter the profit center. Okay. Entry field for, okay, it is telling that profit center field mandatory something. Let me check. So what is this one? 11 G00. So G005, just now we have checked it. Come here. G005 profit center, maybe suppress or something it has done. Check here, where is the profit center? Profit center. So it is suppress, make it optional. Okay. Okay, na. So
Okay.
suppress means it is not allowing me to enter here. Come back, otherwise hit enter. Let's see, otherwise you have to come back. No, you have to come back. After change is done, sometime it will not work if you will be in same screen. So you have to come back again. Then again you have to try. So this is debit and this is credit. Any doubt, please ask me. Okay. Check first value date, check it picks automatically. See, this time value date I have not entered. Can you see automatically it is coming, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Because I have done in OBYC setting the tick mark. Now enter the profit center. Where is the profit center? Here. Okay, now see it is accepting. Post it now. Oh, both outgoing, I think posted. Main bank not posted. Let me check it. Both outgoing I posted. So no problem. Let me post on correct journal entry. Outgoing GL got posted here. Main bank, this one. Credit, debit, 1000. Profit center. Okay, post it. So now total 4 line item will get. 2 line item debit credit you posted together. Now one. So total 4 line item will be there here. Run it. So see here now, actually it should have been for only this and this one only, but debit credit I posted on mistakenly. So total 4 line item is there. So when you have debit and credit, right? This minus means credit, credit and debit. These two you can nullify, and this also you can nullify this. So total 0. So all these GL line item during the month, and you have to do the clearing. Clearing means you have to clear the line item. You have to make them 0. This GL clearing GL should have 0 line item. Okay, should have 0 line item. That is called, it is month end activities also. During the month end activities, you have to do the clearing. Clearing means if any debit and credit matching, you just nullify them. Let me teach you, you'll understand. So manually, if you want to do one by one account, then you have to go T code called F-03. I'll write here GL clearing. I think today we got so much late. Let me only one thing you teach, then tomorrow I'll teach you remaining part. So GL clearing happen from T code F-03 and my automatic happen F-13. Quickly I'll show you one. Tomorrow I'll explain you. F-03, F-03. Okay, give that GL, outgoing GL, which are have open item management. Other than open item management GL, if you enter here, it will not accept. That we'll see tomorrow. Hit enter. If you go inside, all these GLs are there. Okay, so see, all are matching, so you can select all, but today now I'll teach only two. So only two I'm selecting, debit and credit, 1000 debit, 1000 credit. And you can simulate also. If you want to simulate it, and you then you save it. Okay, post it. Once you do the post, this is called GL clearing. Okay, GL clearing, if you do here, two line item got removed. So refresh it, only two line item will be left. See, from open it got could clear. This is known as a GL clearing. So here ultimately should have the 0 line item. So manually, if you want to do F.03 is a T code. Tomorrow I'll teach you if people are getting late. Okay, na? Remaining automatic and all I'll teach tomorrow. Please practice day by day. I'm again telling, content is increasing a lot. You'll get confused later on. Okay. Okay, na? Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Yeah. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.